In today's video, we're going to be answering 3 questions that you might be having when it comes to building your porch. Thank you for coming along. Let's get started. You're connecting these beams together. We like to use a Simpson strap. These are with 2.5-inch screws. What that does is keep the beams from twisting. Also keeps them level here. How about that first question? How will you use your porch? Well, in the past, porches were used as a way to get out of the heat before air conditioning. Also, while you're out there on your porch staying cool, it was a nice opportunity to visit with your family, friends, and those in the neighborhood. Today's porches are used for many of the same things. Enjoying time outside with the family, associating with those in the neighborhood. So ask yourself, why do I want to build a porch? Is it to increase your home's value? Is it to entertain? Is it to stay cool? Answering those questions will assist you in coming up with the right design. 1, 2, 3. Cutting the 4th now. 161/12. Question number 2, where will I put my porch? You might be thinking, will it be on the front of the house? Isn't that obvious? Well, not necessarily. If you're endeavoring to increase the resale value of your home, then yes, you would want it on the front where it's going to increase the curb appeal. But if you're looking to entertain and get a spot out of the sun outside, maybe the back of your home would be the best place to put a porch. Or maybe you'd like a wrap-around porch, putting some value in the front of your home and the back. Specialty beam number 1 up, as well as all of our beams along the front. Car went by, but you know, that's fine. our second gable support. Question number 3. How big should I make my porch? Answering that question really comes down to property lines and budget. When trying to save money, don't make a porch so small that you're going to regret it later. Really think about, what am I going to use this porch for to get the most value out of it? Because while the contractors are here, or while you're building it yourself, let's get the most value for the effort that we're putting into it. Coming around to the back side now. Time to get that big feller way up there. Well, that's going to do it for part 2 of our Porch Build series. We encourage you, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We'll get to each one. We'll see you on the next video.